Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Tether from Bitmart to MetaMask in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT safely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups in the fast-paced world of crypto. First off, ensure you have both a Bitmart account with USDT in it and MetaMask set up on your device. MetaMask is a popular Ethereum wallet, and since Tether, USDT, is an ERC20 token, we'll be using the Ethereum network for this transfer. Step 1. Open your MetaMask app or extension and make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. This is crucial because mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. Step 2. Copy your MetaMask wallet address. You can find it by clicking on your account icon in the top right corner. Just highlight and copy it to your clipboard. Now, switch over to Bitmart. Log into your account and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Step 3. Locate your USDT balance and select the Withdraw option. You'll need to choose USDT from the list of assets. Step 4. Select the ERC20 network for the withdrawal. This matches MetaMask's setup, so paste in your copied wallet address and enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Step 5. Double-check the details, address, amount, and network to prevent errors. You'll see a fee estimate, which covers network costs, so factor that in. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. It might take a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's processed, head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet to see your USDT arrive. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. That's it for this guide. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.